Dear students, in our previous class we are discussed about total internal reflection optical fiber. In optical fiber, the ray of light takes place total internal reflection that depends on the launching angle, that is sin IL. Sin IL is equal to root of mu 2 square minus mu 1 square, where mu 2 is refractive index of core, that is denser medium, mu 1 is refractive index of cladding, that is a rarer medium. Okay, and the important point is that root of mu 2 square minus mu 1 square is called as numerical aperture. Okay, it is very important point, this launching angle and this numerical aperture. Next application is that fish observing the outside of the world from water. Here it is a surface of water, and fish at a depth h from in the inside the water. This fish observes the world, outer world, as a inverted cone. This is a circle, and this is a radius of the circle. Here, this inverted circle in cone, here it is a vertex. This vertex angle is that 2C, where C is a critical angle, 2C. So, but here where C is called as critical angle. So it is a critical angle C, it also be critical angle C, and the ray of light like this. The ray of light coming like this, from rarer to denser. So here it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, it is adjacent side, it is opposite side. Tan C is equal to R by H, and R is equal to H tan C. And also we know that mu is equal to 1 by sin C, and cos C is equal to, we can write by using this mu is equal to 1 by sin C, cos C is equal to root of 1 minus sin square C. So root of sin C is equal to 1 by mu. So 1 minus 1 by mu square, it is equal to mu square minus 1 by mu square under square root. It is a cos C value. So the tan C is nothing but, tan C is equal to sin C by cos C. If you substitute these values, sin C is equal to 1 by mu, and cos C is equal to root of mu square minus 1 by mu square, we can obtain that 1 by root of mu square minus 1. It is a tan C value. Okay, so this radius of this outer circle is that R is equal to H by root of mu square minus 1, where mu is the refractive index of water here, or the refractive index of liquid. Okay, for water the refractive index value is that 4 by 3. A mu W is equal to 4 by 3. If you substitute this value in this expression, R is equal to h by root of mu square minus 1, we obtain that R is equal to 3h by root 7. Root 7. Here 4 square 16, 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7 by 9. So under root 9 means 3. So R is equal to 3h by root 7. It is the radius of the circle. So area is equal to what? Area is equal to pi r square. So pi r square. R square is nothing but 9h square by 7. This is the area of circle. A is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 9h square by 7. It is area of the circle observed by the fish. It is the most important concept. In this problem, asked that the numerical aperture of fiber is. Here, refractive index of core is given 1.68 and refractive index of cladding will also be given 1.44. Then asked that numerical aperture. So numerical aperture NA is equal to root of mu 2 square minus mu 1 square. Already we know that what is mu 2 and mu 1. If you change mu 1 square minus mu 2 square, that mu 1 is that the refractive index of core and mu 2 is the refractive index of cladding. So refractive index of core mu 2, refractive index of cladding is equal to root of 1.68 whole square minus 1.44 whole square. Substitute and simplify this, we can obtain the value this one. So square this 1.68 and square this 1.44. 168 into 168. Here 1.68 and 1.68. So here after 4 digits, here 1.68 and 1.68. So you divide this expression with 10,000. What can we obtain that? 2.8224. Again 144 into 144. .0736. So you substitute these values in this expression. Root of 2.8224 minus 2.0736. We obtain that it is 0.7488. 0.7488, it is under root. So here 8 8 is 64. Here 7 7 is 49. Here 6 6 is 36. 5 5 is 25. So here 8 8 is 64. It is very nearer value to this one, under root of 0.7488. The square root of this value is that 0.8653. It is very nearer value. So this value will be equal to the root of this 0.7488 is that 0.8653. So it is given in previous examination, MSET. Okay. So in this problem, how much water should be filled in a container 20 centimeter in height so that it appears half filled when viewed from the top of the container? Here the container height is that 21 centimeter. So it is a container, the total height of the container is say 21 centimeter. Here, how much water should be filled in this container to view the bottom? That means it will be appeared the half of this height of the container. That means 10.5 centimeter. So how much water should be filled in this container to view the container height is that 10.5. That means that is apparent depth. Okay. So here the refractive index mu is equal to real height by apparent height. Apparent height. Here what is real height? How much water should be filled in this container? That is say x. My apparent height, that is say 21 minus x. The total depth of the height of the container 21 centimeter minus x. So it is mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth. The refractive index of water value is given that 4/3. You cross multiply this, that is say 84 minus 4x is equal to 3x. So 8. So we must filled with water, and this tank is about 12 centimeter. Okay. In this problem, light takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach from sun on the earth. If the whole atmosphere is filled with water, the light will be take the time to reach the earth. So here, suppose it is a surface of the earth and it is sun, here sun. The time taken light to reach from sun to earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds. If this atmosphere, this air will be filled with water, so how much time it will take the light, how much time to reach the earth surface? So the refractive index mu is equal to, already we know that mu is equal to c by v, and c means speed of light in vacuum and v is speed of light in water. So mu is equal to c by v and c is equal to distance by time. Here c value distance by time in air by distance by time in water. So mu is equal to Tw by Ta. So mu, the refractive index of water. This water is filled between earth to this sun. That means atmosphere. So the time taken by light in water to reach the earth is Tw is equal to mu into Ta. Here mu value is 4/3 into Ta value is 8 minutes 20 seconds. So you convert this 8 minutes into 20 seconds in seconds. Here 8 into 60, that is equal to 480 plus 20, 500 seconds. So 500, that is equal to 2000. 2000 by 3, 4 5 are 20, 0 3, 3 6 are 18, 6 6.6, 666.6 seconds. It is about 11 minutes. 11 into 6, 60. So 66. It will be equal to 11 minutes. Okay students, here if you like my classes, like and share it, and subscribe my channel Gnana Jyoti Academy. Okay, thank you.